Hi, this is Teacher Maria of TheQsAcademy. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe TheQsAcademy, lessons worth learning. Now let's build spelling skills. Week 4. Here, I want you to look at least 4 words that were spelled correctly. Look for the words that were spelled correctly. I'll give you 5 seconds. Here. These are the words empty, sketch, else, edge. I hope you got it right. Here, I want you to look at least 5 words that were spelled correctly. Yes, there are 5 words that were spelled correctly. I'll give you 5 seconds. Here, very good. Receive, peace, when, else, mean. Now let's start. Then. Say it with me. Then. Try to write it in the air. Then. Else. Else. Say it with me. Else. Edge. 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 When. 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 Tenth. 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 Empty. Empty. Say it with me. Empty. Sketch. 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 Spelling. Spelling. Easy. Easy. Eager. Eager. Sneakers. 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 Mean. 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 15. 15. Say it again. 15. Receive. 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 Peace. Peace. Say it with me. Peace. Peace. Believe. 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 People. 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 Squeeze. Squeeze. Now let's try it. Let's try the spelling. The opposite of now is exactly then. If you don't like this, you can try something else. Very good. Else. The sharp line where two surfaces meet is called the edge. So, which is the correct spelling of the word edge? Letter B. Blank, will you go to school? 5 seconds. Very good. When will you go to school? I am the child in the family. Which word is spelled correctly? Exactly. I am the 10th child in the family. The bottle is not full. It is, yes, it's empty. Empty. Can you draw or blank a cat? Exactly. The correct spelling is sketch. Sketch. Can you draw or sketch a cat? When we will have a spelling test today. Here is a correct spelling. Spelling. This activity is very easy. The correct spelling is letter C, easy. She is an blank learner and loves to read. She is an eager learner and loves to read. The correct spelling is letter B, eager. My new blank are blue and white. Sneakers. So which is the correct spelling of the word sneaker? Letter Z is the correct answer. Very good. The word kind and cruel do not blank the same thing. Mean. So which is the correct spelling of the word mean? It's letter B. Very good. There are blank apples on the table. 15, which is the correct spelling of the word 15. Yes, exactly. Letter B, 15. There are 15 apples on the table. Always blank your blessings with a thankful heart. Yes, it's the correct spelling of the word receive. It's letter B, receive. Always receive your blessings with a thankful heart. I ate a small blank of cake. Piece, exactly. But which among the following spelled correctly? Yes, it's letter B, piece. I ate a small piece of cake. We must blank in ourselves to succeed. Exactly. We must believe. So which among the following is the correct spelling of the word believe? Exactly. It's letter C. Believe. It's Lieve. There are many blank in the park today. People. So which among the following is the correct spelling of the word people? Very good. It's letter B. People. I had a I had to blank the toothpaste tube to get the last drop. So which is correct? Very good. I had to squeeze the toothpaste tube to get the last drop. Learning spelling is not only about being correct, it's also about learning to communicate in a way that honors God and blesses others. Proverbs 18:21 says, "Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and those who love it will eat its fruit." Words are powerful, just as we learn to spell and use them correctly. We should also use them wisely and kindly. Every word we say or write can either build someone up or tear them down. God reminds us to choose our words with love, truth, and care. This is Teacher Maria of the Q's Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe the Q's Academy. Lessons worth learning. God bless everyone. Please don't forget to share to your friends.